How to fix Wi-Fi calling not working on Android. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To fix a Wi-Fi calling option not working, basically you will have to reset your Wi-Fi. This could mean to reset your Wi-Fi router or to reset the Wi-Fi in your device. In order to do so, start off by launching your phone settings. Within your phone setting, tap on the search icon at the top. Type in the keyword reset. Now over here at the very top you should see the option of reset options. That is, network, app or device can be reset. You need to click on the option. From here tap on reset option once again and select on reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. From here tap on the reset setting option. This will reset your Wi-Fi connection, after which you can try to connect with your Wi-Fi once again. If not, you can just turn off your Wi-Fi for a couple of minutes, then enable it once again and try the Wi-Fi calling app. This should solve your issue. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.